That amount, dear colleagues, is 106.95 billion. Earmarked. Where is that? Where is it? It's floating with the flood control projects. Now, there were 2 years, wow, nakapasok sa GAA yung earmark ng PCSO and PAGCOR. So, pinasa natin. Guess what? Never na-release. That amount was 21.17 in 2024 and 21.17 in 2023. Never released, but it was in the GAA. That total amount plus the diverted funds, so 129 billion is the sin tax collection that was never, the sin tax deficit. 106.95 is the earmark for PCSO and PAGCOR for 2019 to 2025. And then the diverted funds of 60 billion, if you add that all up, it's 296.91 billion. Almost. So, 236.91 billion ang kulang, Mr. President. But with 236 billion, that will go far. That will reach the far areas of your barangays. Congressman Pipito, di ba? Sa'yo din, Congressman Abet, sa ating lahat. So, that is where we are.